canvas and just select the menu, and then you can do things like create post-it notes, so as many of these as you like. We have infrared pen, so you can write on the post-it note themselves, or if you want to, actually on the wall. This is the virtual whiteboard, and then with the marker technology you can erase that as well. We've got a built-in browser in the system, so there's different options here. We could do just an image search. So if we were to, for example, be having an ideation session around Christie's new logo, which doesn't come up there.
Take the AV word out, yeah.
So we can now just literally drag and drop this from the Google image search onto the canvas. So we have that available. Do that with the device as well. And then we can, as part of that, perhaps we might want to make some notes. So we can bring that into a post-it note and actually group that, and that will now scale with that post-it note. And then we can perhaps write some notes or actions on that particular logo in terms of what we want to do. We can also organise content. So I can, in the tools bar, I can select a table, for example, and then a particular size of table. So now I can organise content into that table. So I just drag that over there, drag that in there. Similarly with this, I can drag that in as well. And now that's all grouped within that particular table, and we can scale that out as we wish. And as well as doing an image search, we can do a full web search as well. So there's different ways to do that. Here we go to BBC, for example, do a web search. That takes us into just a Google search. I can move that around, make that bigger, smaller, and once I pin that, I can then start to interact within the actual page itself. We can have as many browser windows open as we want, so we can build that from a general visualization perspective and build out our canvas. The other thing we can do within our, if I go into a separate canvas, so you've got a list of canvases here, we can then very easily navigate through lots of different types of content. So this is something we've prepared as a presentation canvas, as an overview of the company. Here we have a white rectangle, which is a border around content, but there's a lot more content within the canvas that we can present. So we can create what we call anchor points, and then we can easily navigate our way around these different points on the different topics and the subjects. So we can preload all of the content and then just flick through that content, focusing on certain ones as we want to, and then we've got the engagement aspect in here as well. I could also then take a snapshot of this if I want to. So I've now got a copy that I can pull away. So lots of different functionality like that.
Great.